Hello boys and girls, welcome to Mathematics in Action lesson number 1. Now when we are through exploring, you will be an expert at 1. Representing data using stem and leaf plots, and 2. Interpreting data from stem and leaf plots. Now, I am going to give you a hint about our discovery trip today. We will be exploring something sweet. Can you tell what it is? Let's watch this short video feature to see if you had the right answer.
Dear Prime Minister, I am worried that childhood obesity is increasing in Jamaica.
Children like me are drinking too many sugary drinks, making us gain weight and at risk of getting sick from diseases like heart disease and type 2 diabetes.
We have a right to good health. We need less sugar drinks at home and school.
Healthier food and better exercise programs. Thank you for already helping us
restricting sugary drinks in school in January 2019. We are Jamaica's future.
Please continue to do everything you can to help us live healthier, longer lives.
Did you know that too much sugar is bad for your health? How many bottles of soda do you drink for the week? We asked James how many sugary drinks he has for the week, and this is what he had to say.
In a typical week, I have about 10 drinks. That's why I wanted to know if I was having too much sugar daily. So first, I looked at the sugar content in each drink, which is measured in grams. And then I placed the drinks in ascending order of grams. After that, I plotted the grams of sugar for each drink in a stem and leaf plot. Now, I could see more clearly the number of drinks and their sugar content.
Now, let us examine James's stem and leaf plots. What do you notice about the way James represented his data set using the stem and leaf plot? Looking at this data set, how many of his scores had one group of 10 represented? Great job! So the stem and leaf plot is almost like tens and ones chart. However, the digit in the tens place is written once under the stem section, and the digits in the ones place are placed under the leaf section of the plot.
Why is it that there are no numbers here? Do you know?
If you said that this is because among the list of numbers represented in the given data, there is none from 30 to 39, then you are correct.
What's this? Under the guidelines of the ban on sugary drinks, beverages with more than 6 grams of sugar per 100 milliliters of drink will no longer be allowed in early childhood primary and secondary institutions. So each of my drinks is approximately 300 milliliters. So that's 100 milliliters per drink. That means the amount of sugar allowed for one of my drinks is 3 times 6 grams, or 6 plus 6 plus 6 grams, which is 18 grams. Now, let's check my stem and leaf plot. Do you see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 out of the 10 drinks that I have per week are above the accepted sugar content. Yikes! Well, Mommy, from now on, you need to get me fewer drinks or the same number of drinks, but with less sugar. Or buy water.
What can you conclude about the consumption of sugary drinks based on James's stem and leaf plot? Are there any similarities between stem and leaf plots and other types of graphs? What are some data that are best represented using a stem and leaf plot? Yes, you can use a stem and leaf plot to represent the heights of students in your class, the number of squats an athlete does each day in training, or the number of spectators at a football match. Can you think of any other? Very good. So in today's lesson, we looked at how to represent data using the stem and leaf plot, and we also looked at how to interpret data using the stem and leaf plot. That's it for today. Go and have fun putting math in action.